Hi, North Fork families and students. This is Mrs. Flanagan. Um, we've been hearing a lot of families having a hard time being able to organize class dojo because they have many different teachers and staff members from the school posting. So we have a solution for you. Have your student sign in to their Google account and then have them type in Class Dojo, and then down here on the bottom it says sign up as a. You can click student and it will give you options. You can ask for the Google account and you're supposed to enter a 6-digit code. Now I happen to have the 6-digit code for this classroom, so I will be sending out your 6-digit codes if you want to sign your student in. And then you click on which one is your kiddo's name. Now your student can just view your teacher's or their teacher's post, and it can be done in order.